Brutal UK Challenger 2 tank strike wipes out Russian convoy. Footage has emerged online claiming to show a British Challenger 2 tank attacking and destroying a Russian armored convoy. The video shared on social media shows the destruction of a significant portion of the Russian convoy. If confirmed, the recent emergence of footage specifically showing a British Challenger 2 tank colliding with and destroying a Russian military column using FPV or first-person view drones in the direction of Kursk would mark a significant development in the ongoing war in Ukraine, particularly in the context of the use of the Challenger 2. This event provides key insights into the evolving nature of modern armored warfare, the integration of drone technology with heavy armor, and the tactical advantages that Western tanks bring to the battlefield. The Challenger 2, a main battle tank designed for superior protection and firepower, has been supplied to Ukraine by the United Kingdom as part of Western military aid packages. While its presence in Ukraine has been known for months, this is one of the first confirmed instances of its active combat use in a high-profile engagement against Russian forces. The footage, which has quickly spread across social media and defense analysis circles, shows the tank delivering precise fire on a Russian armored column, likely consisting of Soviet-era tanks and infantry fighting vehicles. The supporting role of FPV drones, which have become an essential tool for reconnaissance and direct attack in this war, was also evident in the operation. This engagement is particularly noteworthy due to the combination of traditional heavy armor and modern drone warfare. FPV drones, widely used by both Ukrainian and Russian forces, provide a real-time battlefield perspective that enhances targeting accuracy and situational awareness. In this case, the drones likely assisted in identifying enemy positions, guiding the Challenger 2's fire, and potentially delivering strikes of their own to disable or disrupt enemy movement. The synergy between these technologies highlights how Ukraine is adapting Western-supplied weaponry to the realities of 21st century warfare. The Challenger 2's performance in this engagement reinforces its reputation as one of the most survivable tanks in the world. Unlike many Russian tanks that have suffered catastrophic losses due to their vulnerability to top-attack munitions and ammunition cook-offs, the Challenger 2 features superior composite armor and a reinforced ammunition storage design. These features significantly increase crew survivability and combat effectiveness. The ability of the tank to withstand counterfire, maneuver effectively, and coordinate with drone reconnaissance suggests that its deployment on the battlefield could continue to yield strategic advantages for Ukraine. Beyond the tactical implications, this event carries significant psychological and propaganda value. The destruction of a Russian column by a British tank, amplified by the viral nature of the footage, sends a strong message to both Ukrainian forces and their adversaries. For Ukraine, it boosts morale and underscores the effectiveness of Western military support. For Russia, it represents yet another high-profile battlefield setback, further highlighting the challenges its forces face against modern Western-supplied equipment. From a strategic perspective, this engagement may influence future decisions regarding the deployment of Western tanks in Ukraine. While initial concerns existed about the sustainability and logistical complexity of maintaining NATO-standard tanks in the conflict, successful combat performances like this one strengthen the argument for continued deliveries. It may also push for greater integration of drone-assisted targeting across all Ukrainian armored units, ensuring that Western tanks can operate at maximum effectiveness against numerically superior Russian forces. This event also serves as a case study for future conflicts beyond Ukraine. The increasing role of drones in warfare, both for reconnaissance and attack, suggests that even the most advanced armored vehicles must integrate with these technologies to remain effective. The Challenger 2's success in this battle indicates that Western militaries should continue developing tactics that blend traditional armored warfare with emerging drone capabilities. The Challenger 2 is a British main battle tank designed and manufactured by Vickers Defence Systems, now BAE Systems Land and Armaments. It serves as the primary armored platform of the British Army and has been in service since 1998. The armor of the Challenger 2 is composed of second-generation Chobham armor, known as Dorchester, which provides exceptional resistance against both kinetic and chemical energy threats.
Контакт!